In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Salesforce Flow declaratively. Navigating the intricacies of Salesforce can seem daunting at first, especially when it comes to testing your flows. But don't worry, because by the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel much more confident in ensuring that your flows are working perfectly before going live. First off, you need to start by logging into Salesforce. Make sure you have your credentials ready, and if necessary, utilize any two-factor authentication method that might be in place for your account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the gear icon in the top right corner of the interface. This is where you'll find the Setup option. Click on it and proceed to open what's known as Advanced Setup. Familiarizing yourself with this area will be tremendously beneficial, as it's where you can access and manage underlying components of your Salesforce organization. Next, in the Setup area, use the Quick Find box. Type in Flows and hit Enter. This handy tool should have brought you directly to the Flows section, which is essential for today's task. You'll see a list of all available flows. Click on the one you're planning to test, as this will open up just the area we need. With the flow open before you, locate the Debug option. You usually find this option present in the toolbar or under an Options menu. Debugging is crucial because it allows you to test your flow without actually activating it, making it a safe environment for trying things out, understanding the flow of data, and identifying potential issues. As you enter debug mode, you'll be prompted for input variables. Enter any necessary test values here, as these inputs will simulate real-time scenarios and help replicate situations to verify how the flow behaves. This is vital for ensuring that all logic, data paths, and outcomes perform as expected. Once inputs are configured, begin by running your flow step by step. This interactive approach is insightful as it allows you to witness firsthand how data moves through each step and which actions are executed at what point. Keep an eye out for any discrepancies or issues. After running through the flow, check the debug logs. This is where you'll identify any errors or unexpected behavior. Spending some time reviewing these logs is key, as they will offer detail that might otherwise be overlooked. If you do find issues, feel free to tweak the flow's logic, formulas, or conditions as necessary. Rest assured that debugging is a normal part of the development process, and adjusting is all part of getting it just right for activation. Finally, once you're satisfied that it's working correctly from end to end, go ahead and activate your flow. After activation, continue to monitor to ensure everything functions smoothly in the live environment. Monitoring post-activation is the last checkpoint to ensure nothing was missed and that the flow aligns with real-world data and scenarios. Congratulations! You now know how to test Salesforce Flow declaratively. Your meticulous approach to testing will significantly optimize the performance and reliability of your flows. Keep exploring and enhancing your skills, as this is a dynamic field with lots to offer.